Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OnePlus 5T. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. And now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try image creating, or you can click not now again. And your Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.